Hi, my name is Gautam. I recently founded this firm called Prithemius Consulting. We are into financial consulting, financial education, and financial inclusion. Um, there are various verticals that we work in, one of which is wealth management. So I will continue to communicate with you through such videos on how the world may shape up in the days to come, and how could one take advantage of the happenings in the days to come. Before we go any forward, let me tell you that we very strongly believe in value investing, and therefore none of our recommendations, none of our suggestions are going to be short-term trades. These are very interesting times that we live in. If you make the right moves, you could make a lifetime's fortune. Uh, if you one you know if you go wrong, you're doomed. It's probably for the first time in history that all asset classes have gone up. The Indian markets have doubled from their March 2000, or more than doubled from their March 2000 lows. S&P 500 has touched 1200. The Dow Jones has crossed 11,000. Gold is somewhat, from its high of about $1225 a troy ounce, has moved down slightly to about 1150 right now. Commodities are more or less back again where they were in 2008. For example, copper, which touched a peak of $8,900 a ton, today trades around 8,000. Oil is about $85 a barrel. Art, which never really came down, has once again moved up, which is reflected by very successful auctions at Sotheby's and Christie's. Real estate is doing very well. In fact, it is speculated that it may be the next bubble in China. Having said so, we strongly believe that something's got to break down, and we are in the camp that believes that this world is going to have a double-dip recession. Now, it the Asian crisis happened in 1998, when these nations borrowed and spent their money and spent their way out of recession. It took 10 years for the next crisis to happen, and the response this time too has been somewhat similar, with the added response of printing currency on a grand scale. We strongly feel that the next crisis is not going to take that long. It's going to come much sooner than that. And when it comes, we would be left with no ammunition. Interest rates are at all-time lows. Fiscal deficit are about 13% of GDP in the US and UK, um, uh, including Greece. And therefore, if and when the next crisis happens, which we think will happen very soon, uh, developed nations would be left with no economic tools to overcome such a crisis. We would therefore recommend that investors keep a low exposure to risky instruments such as equity shares, and for the same reasons we would recommend that you have at least a 10 to 20% exposure into gold. We will continue to communicate with you through such videos and guide you through the days to come, and in fact benefit from any opportunity that a recession or a crash in the market may throw up. Thank you.